Next we're going to do sketching of trig graphs. So how we sketch it is first you have to look at the amplitude and the frequency. Now, so first to get the period you have to do 2 pi over the frequency, which is 2. So now your period is pi, and then to get the interval that you're going to go by on your x-axis you do the period over 4. So now you're going to go by pi over 4s on the bottom. And your amplitude is going to be 4. Now for sine, we always start in the middle. You're going to go, and then we go up to 4, to the middle, down to -4. And just keep doing that till the end. And then you have your sine curve. And you know that's right because the frequency is 2 and the interval for pi is 0 to 2 pi, so you know it's going to happen twice in that interval. Now the domain and range for this, the domain is just going to be your interval in this case, so from 0 to 2 pi, and your range is going to be from -4 to 4. For cosine, you're going to do the same thing to get your period again. You're going to do 2 pi over the frequency, which is 1, and then to get your interval, 2 pi over 4. You're going to be left with pi over 2 as your interval. So you're going to count by pi over 2's. Now your amplitude is 3. Now for cos, you always start at the top, down, middle, down, middle, down over here. You're going to graph it. Now your domain and range for this, your domain, once again, is going to be your interval, so from -pi to pi, and your range is going to be from -3 to 3. Now for tan you're going to have to worry about asymptotes later on, but first we're going to start graphing like we graphed the rest. So once again, to get your interval and your period, you can do 2 pi over the frequency, and then you can do 2 pi over 4. And that's going to get your interval by pi over 2's. Now for this one, you're going to have to know that at pi over 2, there's going to be an asymptote. And at -pi over 2, there are also going to be asymptotes. Because at pi over 2, tan is equal to sine over cos, and at pi over 2, cos, just like we saw at this one, cos is 0 at pi over 2, so that will make it undefined. So that's why you have the asymptotes there. And now you go from here, and you're going to go up in the middle to 2, and down the middle to -2. You're going to graph your tan like that. Then over here at pi, it's going to go down, and here it's going to go up. Now your domain and range for this, your domain is going to be all the x's here, but x cannot equal -pi over 2 or pi over 2. And your range is going to be up and down forever, so all reals.